Pregnancy is an extraordinary 9-month journey, but what actually happens to your body and your growing baby month by month? Let's travel through the entire pregnancy in just a few minutes. In the first month, you may not even know you're pregnant, but inside your body, an incredible journey has already begun as the fertilized egg implants and early development starts. By month 2, rising pregnancy hormones can make themselves known. Nausea, tiredness, and breast tenderness are common, and although you may feel very different, there may still be no visible baby bump. By month 3, your baby's basic body structures have formed and development continues rapidly. Tiny arms and legs are taking shape, and you're approaching the end of your first trimester. Welcome to the second trimester. For many women, nausea begins to improve and energy starts returning. And now, for the first time, that little pregnancy bump may become noticeable. Month 5 can bring one of pregnancy's most unforgettable moments. The first movements. At first, they may feel like tiny flutters or bubbles. Soon, you'll recognize them as your baby moving. By month 6, your baby is responding more and more to the world outside. Sounds can be heard in the womb, and familiar voices, especially yours, may become increasingly recognizable. Month 7 marks the beginning of the third trimester. Your baby's movements may feel much stronger now, while the brain continues a remarkable period of rapid growth and development. By month 8, your growing belly can make everyday life a little harder. Breathlessness, difficulty sleeping, and frequent bathroom trips are common as your baby continues gaining weight. And then comes month 9. Your baby is approaching full term. Your hospital bag may be ready, and after months of waiting, the moment you've been dreaming about is getting very close. From a beginning too small to see, to a baby ready to enter the world. 9 months, around 40 weeks, and one extraordinary journey. Follow MedDecoded for more evidence-based pregnancy facts.